On this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious sweet and sour sauce that tastes exactly like the sweet and sour sauce you get at McDonald's. Let's take a peek at the McDonald's packaging for the sweet and sour sauce, and we notice that the two key ingredients that we need to pay attention to mostly are apricot and peach concentrate puree. We're going to use peach and apricot preserves. Next, we're going to add some honey, and this will help your homemade sweet and sour sauce stick to your chicken nuggets. Next, we're going to use some onion powder. Make sure you use onion powder and not onion salt. The next ingredient is chili seasoning. Now, don't confuse that with chili powder. Chili seasoning has several different spices blended together that make it easier to make this recipe. Next, we can add a little bit of vinegar. The final two ingredients that we're going to add to our McDonald's copycat sweet and sour sauce are soy sauce and corn syrup. Now we can mix everything up and have a taste. Well, there you go, folks. Now, I guarantee that if you follow this recipe without any deviations, your homemade sweet and sour sauce will taste exactly like the sweet and sour sauce you get down at McDonald's. You'll find the complete recipe in the video description. Thanks for watching.